Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Rosewar Panty Power. If you've watched my channel before, you have seen me unbox this, possibly. If you are new here, hello. Hi guys. So this is a multi-subscription. It's actually like 3-in-1. Beauty, period, / underwear. So like, it's really interesting because what they've done is take a really bummer time of the month, or, you know, twice a month, or some people, you know, it's all different. No, but you only get it once a month. They turn it into like a really fun, like you're looking forward to it, and it's empowering to have that in your life. So let's just say that about this box. The box is beautiful. So in this box, you get 2 pairs of underwear, and the sizes run, I wrote it down because it's a really great size range. Small to 3XL. Then there is 14 organic tampons, pads, or a mix of both. That's your choice. You'll also choose the type of underwear you want, and then you can do a mix of thongs and like no thongs, or just thongs, or just no thongs. You see what I'm saying? You know what I'm doing? Okay. Also, can we just talk about my hair right now? It's raining here in southeastern PA, and this is what I have. This is what I have going on. I just decided to work with it. You know, like it's curly. I'm just gonna deal with that. We're gonna live our life this way. All right. There's also always like some beauty items, and there's typically, I think, snack items as well. It's $25.20 a month. I do have a coupon code that'll give you a discount at checkout. It's RWPP50. And that will give you a discount at checkout. I'm not sure what the discount is, but we should go check then. I will link down below to Rosewar Panty Power. I will also link to my full review, which I'll do on my blog, so you guys can check out like the photos and the in-depth and all that stuff. For right now, though, we're just going to unbox this and see what's inside. All right. I feel great today. I have like taken a new take on this whole thing. I used to have to bulk. Remember when I was bulk videoing, making bulk videos? I was like, I can't do this. It's not fun. It's not any fun. I can't really, you know what I mean? And I think that comes out to you guys. You feel that. So anyway, I'm just doing this one, and I'm excited to do just this one. I'm also doing more beauty videos. That's what I really want to be doing. I want to be doing more beauty videos. So anyway, do what gives you joy, right? What brings you joy? All right, so this is the September box. Oh my gosh, it says the box full of joy. How perfect. All right, so here is the inside. And we open it up, and here's what we see. So let's get in there. There's always just tons of stuff that has nothing to do with like your period or the underwear, and it's like so much fun. There's like always these great indie beauty products that I just love. So first we have Emergency Vitamin C Dietary Supplement. So this is acai berry. I've heard of Emergency, but I thought that they made like headache relief and like stuff like that, like cold relief, stuff that you keep in like your bag. So I guess this is for like if you're around somebody that has a cold and you're like, oh, I don't want that. Or you're a mom and you have kids that are always sick. This is something good to have. All right. So also on the card, there's a whole bunch of options that you can get as your additional extras. They'll check off the ones that you receive just so you're aware of what you've gotten. All right. So here we have this Elite Skincare Essentials. Ooh, charcoal peel off mask. Ooh. This looks like fun. Detoxifying, draws out impurities for naturally glowing skin. So charcoal is a detoxifier. Great for people with oily skin, but these black masks are fun. I like them, so I'm going to do that. And I love that it's just a little packet. Like if you're traveling and you want to be like fresh-faced or whatever, and you're wearing makeup and you're not sweating and stuff like that. You know, when you travel, things happen. Like you're like constantly going. These are great to take along. All right, next we have, an exfoliating foot mask. Is this the kind like the baby foot? I don't know. So this is from Pure Derm, Botanical Choice, wearable sock type mask. Okay, so this is more like a paraffin mask, I'm guessing, than like the baby foot. So these are really nice though, because like, it's like a little treat for your skin. So there's that. All right. Lauren B Beauty. I actually have a few products from Lauren B, and they were amazing. And they are organic and all natural. So this is the Lauren B, when my hairs was in there. This is falling everywhere. Reparative cuticle oil. Ooh, look at the package. First of all, I love the little, oh, it's so cute. Look at the little squirty doodle. I know, very technical terms here on my channel. Very technical. we can kind of probably pull, I kind of want to see it. It's like a little, oh, that's so cool because it helps be very precise. You know what I mean? Like, it's kind of hard sometimes to get it on. Anyway, I like that. And that actually, let's see, there's usually a retail value in here. It's $22. All right, I'm like, my eyes are like going to the other items. No, don't peek. All right. So here's our undies. They always come in a little bag. And wait till you see how our pads and tampons are. Is it pads and, it's both, yes. Okay, first we have, ooh, aren't these fun? Oh my gosh. Ooh. So I'm trying to lose weight, guys, by the way. I'm looking at these underwear and I'm thinking, I remember when I first started reviewing for this company, I was in a size small. I'm no longer in a size small. So if you guys want to ever see like videos on that, I would be into making those. Like, let's do some like workout with me, or I don't know, whatever. What are you eating? Stuff like that. If you're interested, let me know, because I'm trying. I'm really trying. Every day I'm trying. All right, so these are really pretty. They have the little frilly panels here, and then it's a nude color. These are really, really cute, and they go with a nude bra or a black bra, which is very, very nice, especially when you're getting dressed in the dark. No, I'm just kidding. All right, second we have, this is like, what do they call these? I don't know. When it's lace in the back, which is very pretty, and then just a gray, like this blend, you know, a poly blend panel in the front. These are also really cute. I love this color. I love gray. You guys know that, so that's cool. Here's our pads. So there's going to be a total of 14, and this is a mix, so it'll be 7 and 7 is what I'm guessing. And it does look like they include some panty liners up here, and then there are tampons. And this is a mix of regular and super. So there's that. And I love how they're wrapped. They're just so cute. All right, so our candies are these Vienna Coffee Coupe d'Assa. 2 of those, and then this little hard candy. Looks like it's grape flavored. So those are our little candy treats. All right, so our final item is, this is Rustic Maca Relieve Skin Rescue Salve. Prevents, calms dry, irritated skin with botanical infused organic oils. This is probably perfect for me. I get so, you guys know, if you watch this channel, you know my skin is a savage. It's red. I'm redness prone. It really is a salve. It's a very like thick, you know, it has no smell. Ooh, I wonder what the ingredients are. What do you think? Let's look. So this is $15. And then the surprise gift is the exfoliating mask and probably the pore masks. So those are valued at $10. This is, did I say this was 15? I think I did. But anyway, it's 15 if I didn't. All right, so this has sunflower oil, apricot kernel oil, plum seed oil, chamomile flowers, calendula flowers, lavender flowers, calendula wax. I don't know if I said that right. Neem oil and vitamin E. And a lot of these are organic, which is really cool. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm excited to try this out. I'm always interested in skincare products that are good for redness and irritation and inflammation because my skin is just always angry at me for I don't know what. It's true. It's just so true. So that is everything I received. This box is $25.20, which is amazing because think of what you're getting. You're getting this, a full-size skincare product, this cuticle oil, which is valued at $22, which is almost the price of the box. 2 pairs of panties, which we'd pay, what, for these? $10 at least. All the organic tampons and pads that we received, which is 14 in total. The fun snacks, the foot mask, all of that for $25.20. I just think it's such a great deal. And it's such a good box. Just like such a fun box because it's like, it's just, what do you call it? It's like the best box for women ever. You know what I mean? So if you're interested in checking them out, I will link to them below. I will also link to my full review so you can check that out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.